I'll show you how I built my website in less than 20 minutes by using AI, copy and paste. Let's get started. So, the first thing you need to do is go to attractkit.com. And once you do, you'll land on this page right here. Okay. You simply click on sign up, and it is free to sign up, and no credit card is required. And once you do, you'll get a blank page that looks like this. Okay. Now, this is my business right here, joindigitalfuture.com. And as you can see, my website has a header or a menu, has a hero section, the fonts, everything is looking good, the content, and it also has a photo and call to action right here. And I'm going to show you how to do all of this in less than 15 minutes. So let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is go to resources and click on attract content library. Okay. And now I have what's called attract blocks, and I have access to all the content sections. For example, my website, I have used this content section. Now watch this. When you're at attract library, you'll notice this copy icon shows up anywhere you click on any of the content sections. Okay, now this is amazing because we do not have to download templates. We don't have to worry about themes or anything breaking. None of that complicated stuff. It bypasses it with the smart AI technology. All we're going to do is we're going to hit the copy and go back to our blank page and click on paste. And just like this, we have our content, okay? Now, here's another thing you can do. Let me just go back to the content library. Let's assume you want to, well, let's just do this. Let's go to sites. And these are the modern content-driven sites created by professional designers. So let's assume instead of going through the blocks, because you can, mix and match anything you like. It's really amazing, and I'll get to that. But another way to do it is you can see what are the sites that are available to you. For example, perhaps you're a blogger. You can click on this theme right here. Once again, you notice copy and paste shows up. And let's say you're an agency and you like this particular design. Okay, let's just go with this theme right here. Very easy. Once again, we're going to bypass the whole template, downloading stuff, or any of that. And one more thing, no coding is required. We're simply going to hit the copy and click on paste. Okay, that's it. Okay, and I'm just going to do 3 blocks. And I want it right here. We'll click one and we'll use one more. Okay, my challenge is to do this in 15 minutes, okay? Alrighty, there you go. And I'm going to click on save. Our homepage is already looking good. And since this is a content platform, it is very easy to change content. For example, maybe this one is daily news, insights, and strategies. Okay. And latest news and insights. I'm just putting anything to show you an example how easy it is to change content. Okay, once again, right here, learn and grow in our group. And we can also change the button to join group. Okay, there we go. Okay, it is very easy to change content, and later I'll show you how to link button. It's very easy to link buttons. Okay, once again, can change content. Very easy to do. Okay, maybe your business is growing. You got 500 happy clients now, right? And that's the whole point of this content platform. to make it easy to change the content in any way you like. Okay. Now, another thing you can do, and this is why this is incredible. Let's assume you like a pricing page. Okay. You want to create a beautiful pricing page. Well, we can go back to the library, click on elements, and we can click on pricing. It's going to give us different types of pricing tables that we like. Okay. And let's just go with this one or even this one. Click on copy. So now the block has been copied. And we can place it anywhere we like. So let's say we want to place it bottom of this. We're just going to click paste. There we go. We now have our pricing page created for us. Again, and once again, we can change to anything we like. Okay, now you're going to love this. Let's assume you want to collect payments on your website. It's very easy to do. And let me just show you this. Digital products, you can really sell digital products, subscriptions. The platform is 0% fees, so Attract doesn't take any payment fees at all. And you can create subscriptions, trials, create coupons. And I'm going to create this in a future. I'm going to create a future module which will show you how to connect a Stripe account, and you can easily start connecting to your Stripe and collecting payments. Is very easy to do. Okay, so there we go. So it's not just the design, it is also the actual capability of accepting payments. Okay, now let's assume for the call to action, we can go. Oh, let me go back to the library. For call to action, we can do two things. We can pick any of these call to action blocks, or we can continue on and choose the call to action right here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to once again paste. There we go. Hit save. Grow in our group. I'm just putting anything just to show you how easy it is to change content. And there we go. Now watch this. If I go to my site right here, this is the demo site, and hit on refresh. Let me do that right now. And there we go. We just created our homepage. Look at this. And again, in the future module, I'll show you how easy it is to accept payments. It's very easy. Okay, now on my website, I also have a YouTube member wins join group page. So let me show you how to create additional pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on dashboard, click on pages, and let's see what we want to name it. We'll call it reviews or member wins, whatever you like. And then let's create another page. We'll call it a join group. Okay. There we go. And just like that, we have 2 additional pages. Now, let me go back to my website. If you notice, this is all of our member wins right here. And now let me show you how I did this. So I'll just go ahead and click on edit page. Once again, we have a blank page. Now, of course, I can build everything from scratch by using Attract blocks, but I'd rather not because everything is already done for us. And this Attract blocks makes it very easy. And also, what's working out there. This content design is what people are looking for high converting landing pages, right? So I'm just going to stick to what's working. I'm going to click on elements and I'm going to click on testimonials. There we go. Okay, see which one makes you happy. I can click on copy, click on paste. Okay, maybe you like the slider element. Paste. This is all just copy and paste. Okay, oh, this is my website. And let's see if I'm just giving you an example. Oh, yeah, this is a good one. Maybe you have video testimonials. Okay, and I'm going to click on paste. There we go. Okay, just like this, we now have testimonials. And once again, we can easily change the content. Okay, so as you get testimonials, you can change it, add additional stuff. Here's the YouTube. Now, if you have Wistia or others, it's very easy to do that as well. Just paste the link and change the content. Okay, once again, see right here. There we go. Now we have ourselves a and I'll just show you. Actually, let me do one more thing before I show you the whole site, because I have one more join group. Okay, so for the join group, this is what I have. And let me go to the join group, click on edit. And once again, go ahead and copy and paste. So we can go with a different section. Okay, or if you're like, hey, I really like the theme, pick any of this, and you can mix and match too, right? And you copy this, click on paste, and then perhaps over here, very easy to change the image, click on an image. And I created some images. You can use Canva, AI, generative AI to create images. There's a lot of stock images as well. So I just created a few of them, and I just to show you how easy it is to do this. There you go. You can say, hey, join group. Okay. And once again, let's assume you don't like this. Well, you have tons and tons of sections. I mean, there is tons of things you can do with this. So let me just show you. This one is a good one too. And so, just giving you an idea, you can do anything you like. In my case, I just went with something very simple. I just put the text, so you can simply do that as well. And I'm just going to click on save. So here we go. We just created our join group page simply by copying and pasting. Okay, now let's talk about menu right here. Okay, how easy it is to create a menu. As you notice, anytime I go to the website or I click on member wins, this is a dynamic menu, and I also have a photo as well. Okay, so let's do that. Now what I'm going to do is click on library and click on menu, and there we go. And these are all the menus available to us, and each menu has a different theme. See, different theme right here. So let's just go with this one right here. I'm simply going to hit copy, and I'm going to click on page, and I'm going to click on main menu right here. Just going to click on this, and once again, it's going to give me a blank page, and I'm going to hit paste. And there you go. We just have ourselves a site menu. Okay, now what we can do is we created 2 pages, I believe. So let's change it. So this could be reviews. Okay, and if you have an about page, we can create an about page. Since we don't, I'm just going to delete this and I'm going to delete this. We also created a join group page right here. So it's right now let me show you how to link a button. Very easy. So all I'm going to do is click on this. Here we go. Click on this link button. And as you can see, it already picks up the pages we have created. So I'm just going to click on reviews, click on add link, and we just have ourselves a linked page. Okay, same thing with join group. We created a join group page. There we go. And then for the logo, I created a logo in Canva. So let me just go ahead and select it. There we go. Now, when I created a logo in Canva, as you can see, it's a little bit big. Now I'm going to show you how to customize it. Very easy to do. I'm going to go ahead. It says create a class, and I'm just going to create a class, and you can name it anything you like. I'm simply going to say site logo. Okay, you can call it anything you like. Watch, once I create this, I have more options available to me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on site logo, and I'm going to click on size, and I'm simply going to choose maybe let's see, 100. Oh, that's a little bit too small. Okay, 150 pixels. There you go. Okay, click on save, and that's it. Our menu has been created, and I'll show you right now. As you can see, there is no menu here. Let me go ahead and refresh it. There we go. We have ourselves a site menu that is working. So if I click on reviews, look, it goes to our review page. Join group, it goes to the join group page and goes back to our home page. Our menu has been created. That's it. Same thing with the site footer. I'm just going to click on the footer. Once again, it's blank. Going to go ahead to the library and choose any of these footers. I'm going to just do this very quickly. You get the idea. Click on copy, click on paste, and there we go. And we can change it. Daily insights and consulting. Join our group. I'm just putting anything. If you're on social media, hopefully you are. That's a great way to grow your business. You can connect to your Facebook page. You don't have Facebook, delete this, connect it to your X. There you go. X account or YouTube, put in your link, and there you go. And just like how I created join group and reviews page, once you create privacy and terms page, you can simply link right here. And then for the logo, we'll just choose we can choose the same logo right here. And as you can see, it's pretty big. Now, this is where classes are very effective. Instead of deciding, oh, what pixel, or how did I design this? All we're going to do is we're going to click on this. It already remembers. So we're going to click on site logo. Look, see? As your site gets big, this is very effective, by the way. And there we go. Now, when we go over here, there you go. We have ourselves our full homepage, and we have ourselves a footer as well. There you go. We created our website in less than 20 minutes. Now, if you're interested in learning how to create dynamic content such as blogs, watch this video. I also included the video link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more strategies about AI, digital businesses, demos, and much more. And if you're interested in building a digital future with other creators and entrepreneurs, join our group. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.